Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, subject code CS3352, Foundations of Data Science, Unit 5, topic Importing Matplotlib Line Plots. Importing Matplotlib line plots, the simplest of all plots is the visualization of a single function y equal to fx. Here we'll take a first look at getting a simple plot of this type. It can be thought of a single container that contains all the objects representing axes, graphics, text, and labels. The axis means it is an instance of the class plt.axis, a bounding box with the ticks and labels which will eventually contain the plot elements that make up our visualization. Next, we are going to see the line colors and styles. The first adjustment you might wish to make to a plot is to control the line colors and styles. It is used to adjust the color. You can use the color keyword which accepts a string argument representing virtually any imaginable color. It can be specified in a variety of ways. If no color is specified, means it will automatically cycle through a set of default colors for a multiple lines. Next, we are going to see the different forms of color representation. A specific color by name means blue. Short color code means you can specify any code. Otherwise, grayscale between 0 and 1. Any particular color you can specify the values. Then next one is hex code. RRGG. BR represents red, G represents green, B represents blue. That value just ranges from 00 to FF. Next, RGB tuple values 0 and 1. All HTML color names supported. Then next we can adjust any line space style using the line style keyword. Means if you want solid means in the line style you can mention the solid. If you want dashed line means in the line style you can mention the dashed. Otherwise if you want a dash dot means in the line style you can mention the dash dot. Likewise dotted also you can mention that. Next we are going to see one example program for line color. First you have to mention the header files, import matplotlib pyplot as plt, and what type of figure you are using. You have to use the figure name, and then you have to mention the axis. In the axis, how much line space you want, you mention the size of the line, and you have to mention what type of color you want. You can mention the color name. Otherwise, what type of color code you want, you can mention the color code. Otherwise, you can mention the grayscale between 0 and 1. Otherwise, you can able to apply the hex code. If you want RGB to dimple means you can mention the values between 0 and 1. Likewise, you can mention the each and color. That colors will be applied in your graph. Thank you.